Good afternoon, ma'am. My name Cesar Septian Daniel. Name, study name 1723079. Class 175C. I presentasi to material software and operating system and hardware. Software and operating system definition: software is a not physical component of a computer system, such as program data protocols. Its software consists of instruction programs and data that tell the computer what to do. It is different from hardware that can be physically appropriation. The main component consists of program instruction we return to perform specific text data information processing and stored by program protocols. Rules that govern communication and data exchange. Type of software: system software, operating systems, Windows, Linux, macOS, the manage hardware and provide a platform. For other programs, application software, program for specific tasks such as word processing, web browsing, and gaming analytics software. Tools for the system. A computer is just an expensive collection of electronic components without purpose. Operating systems software. The operating system is a special type of program that loads automatically with your computer style. It allows you to use the advanced features of a modern computer without having to know all the details of how the hardware works. Operating system is essential software that manages software resources and computer hardware in functions as a break with you and the complex computer hardware. Key function: managing CPU, memory, storage, and hardware component. Answer interface: asks through with graphical Windows or Shell command line interface. File management: organizing data into file and folders, security: protecting your data and controlling access. Application support: enabling you to run application program and controlling how they share system resources. Application software: software that is designed to help answer complete specific text is calling application programs. This program operate on top of operation system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and cannot run without an operating system relationship. What the operating system when the computer is turning on, the operating system must be loaded first. As the operating system is ready, application can be launching the operating system servers as a bridge between application programs and computer hardware. Example operating system: Windows 1. Windows. The Windows operating system production by Microsoft is among the most extensively utilized system global. Example, comprise Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11. It is progressively intelligent on personal computer for business, tasks, education, and general purposes. Due to its intuitive interface and extensive program compatibility. 2. Linux. Linux is an open source operating system derived from the Unix architecture. Notable distributions Ecopass, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, and Kali Linux. Linux is frequently employed for servers, software development, and New York administration owing to its reliability, adaptability, and robust security attributes. 3. macOS. macOS created by one Apple Inc. is specifically built for Apple computer. Example, Ecopass, macOS Classic, and macOS Intelligence like Big Sur, Monterey, and Sonoma. This operating system is recognized for its sophisticated design, superior performance, and seamless integration inside the Apple ecosystem. Example application: Microsoft Office, Penroll, presentation tools, Microsoft PowerPoint, desktop publishing, Adobe Photoshop, multimedia application, Microsoft Encarta Disserum, Basin, Escilopad Edias, example application, Microsoft Word, Excel, QuickBooks Payroll, Google Slide, Prezi, Adobe InDesign, Microsoft Publisher, Adobe. Hardware. Hardware refers to the tangible component of a computer system. Hardware is categorized into two types: input device and output device. Supplementary clarification: hardware denotes the tangible component of computer system. They are perceivably and manipulable. These components collaboration to execute the computational functions. And input device is hardware that serves to input data or instructions into a computer. And output device is hardware that displays or output the results of data processing from a computer. Input. An input device is a hardware component intelligent to input data or command into and computer system. It enables user to convey information to the computer for processing and interesting. Input device encompass a keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and webcam. Output. An output device is a physical component that exhibits, prints, or communication the result of data processing executed by the computer. In other terms, transform digital data into a format comprehensible to humans. Output devices encompass monitors, printers, speaker, and projector. Text input device. A keyboard is a device used for inputting text and character by passing button known as keys. Akin to a typewriter, the predominant English language keyboard's configuration in the KWIRTY Lion presented here is an image of a keyboard featuring the KWIRTY Lion supplementary clarification. A keyboard is fundamental input device for computer, comprising an array of buttons or keys that function as mechanical levers or electronic switches. Upon pressing a key, a distinct signal is transmitted to the computer which the interprets and displays the associated character or executes a command on the screen. Pointing depends. The predominant pointing defense is the most in computing and most plural mesh or most defense is fighting defense the operates by sensitive two-dimensional movement in relation to its sporting surface. A mouse is a device grasped by one hand featuring one or more buttons and aditi additional components such as wheels or supplementary buttons. The trackball is another alternative pointing device, including a visible project ball instituted in a socket. The sensor rotation along to X. The trackball was developed by Tom Cranston and Fred Longstaff for the Royal Canadian Navy Data System in 1952, 11 years prior to the invention of the mouse. Audio input defense. The wording design the Microsoft microphone as a specific extension of audio input defense. Audio input defense are hardware components that take sounds from the environment and transform into a format suitable for processing by electronic systems. Terminology related to Microsoft. The microphone is occasionally denoted by abbreviated terms. Mic, a Fremleman abbreviation. Mig, alternative abbreviation orthography. Technical definition: a microphone is precisely described as an acoustic to electronic transducer or sensor. Allow me to elucidate this technical definition. Acoustic concerning acoustic waves in air or alternative mediums. Electric pertaining to electric signals or currents. Transducer, a device that transforms one type or energy into another sensor, a device that identifies and responds to physical inputs. Output depends. Audio output depends on speaker. Definition: speaker or computer speaker are external output devices that function to convert digital electronic signal into audible sound that can be heard by the human ear. Characteristic external installing on-site the computer casing usually pleasant beside the monitor. Internal amplifier equipment white allow power amplifier that function to strengthen audio signal to produce louder sounds. Power sources requires additional power either from USB or a separate power adapter type of speaker. 2.0 system 2 speaker left and right for basic storage. Choose 1 system 2 speaker plus 1 subwoofer for differ bass. 5 1 and 7 1 system surround on sound system for a more immersive audio expressive function and as listening to music and audio, watching video and movie, playing games, video conferences, and online call presentation. Output device 2 handset and headphone. Definition: handphone consists of pair of complex loudspeaker or occasionally single speaker intended for placement in close proximity to the user ear, delivering a personal and private auditory expression. Primary elements: audio transcoder, complex speaker driver on inside a handband and air hooks. Retention mechanism designed to maintain their the air handband for over air as. Air hooks for in-air as cable and wireless connects method for interfacing wide audio sources, amplifier, radio, CD player, smartphone, computer, category of handphone. According to design over-air circumaural evolvements, the entire air providing optimal sounds insolence. On-air supraaural since upon the air characterized by a lighter weight. In air, Airbus and EM designed to fit widen the air canal exceptionally portable. According to connector wired intelligent cables, 3.5 mm jack usable or 6.35 mm jack. According to patient handphone exclusively for auditory consumption. Handset furnishing with a microphone for bidirectional communication. Benefit or of handphones auditory confidentiality others are unable to perceive. Does not disrupt anyone in the vicinity in an ancient and individualizing auditory fidelity, elephantine, portability, effective noise isolation, particulation in over-air models, application and enhancing movie listening quality, video gaming utilizing hand ear equipment, wide microphone, virtual meeting, and digital communication, audio recording, and monitoring. Thank you for presentation for today, Miss.